Like yes, generally I am giving 60 days free support for my clients, but look like these things, obviously you can get back to me anytime. Okay. Okay, and here is the client. So if you have your logos, then you can send them to me, then I can upload them here. Otherwise, after the website fixes, I will show you how can you do it without messing the layout. Like yes, it's very easy. You can do it when you will log in your Wix account. Then you can see your website, and when you will click the website, then you can see here home, and then here you can see a arrow, and then you can see here full mode and the content mode. So if you want to update any content, then you just need to go to the content mode instead of full mode. Full mode is the editor mode. So if you will go to the editor mode, there have a lot of chance to mess up the design. So you don't need to go the full mode. You can go to the content
Okay.
mode. Let me go to the content mode. Then you can see here have option to update any kind of the images, the text, the background, and everything you can update without messing the layout. So the editor is loading now. We need to give some time to load. So with look like that way with the content mode, you can change anything on your website very easily. If you can do it, it's fine. Otherwise, if you need any assist, then you can get back to me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the content mode. So like is if you want to make change anything on your header part, then you just need to click here.
Okay.
It's still now loading. So when you will click any of the sections, then you can see at the right side the option to change the content. Like yes, you can update the video from here, like yes, section background, you can change your logo, you can change your heading from here. When you will click on it, you will get the editor to update the content and the description as well, button text, the button link, and everything you will get here. I am just showing it to you because of like as for the small things, like as if you want to update the picture, just click the section, then you can see here section background update option. You don't need to change it. You can update the title from here, you can update the description from here, you can update the button text, the button link, and your picture as well. Like you see, you have a new picture, just click here the change.
Yeah, I'm familiar with those because I did the last website that you
Okay,
fixed. I
okay,
did
that's
that.
very
So,
fine, that's very fine. Okay, so yeah, look like that way you can update your website content. Let's go to here the same way.
okay. So,
You can
I have
update
a
the
no. I want